Welcome, my name is Chiamaka. Today I give you double dose of gorgeousness on my beautiful model. Are you interested in how I got this gorgeousness to this gorgeousness? You should keep watching. Using the Garnier micellar water, I used it to clean her face, like so. Then I used the Rimmel London primer to prime her face, all of her T-zones, and then I just rubbed it in. Yeah, just massage it into the skin. So I'm going in with L'Oreal True Match in Cocoa 9N. Yeah, I know it looks light, but just trust the process. Yes, I'll blend it in. Yep, girl. So you can see how it looks on her skin. Just trust the process always, forever. You know. Yeah, so I left the major part of the blending process so that you can see. Makeup is all about blending. I don't know. It's all about blending. You just have to blend. Yeah, the sun was making it look really yellow here. But this is a neutral undertoned foundation. Yeah. So you could skip past this. I just left the blending for you to see that it ain't perfect. You just have to blend. Nothing comes easy. Let's just put it that way. Blend those inner circles of the eye, blend the hairline, blend the ears, blend the neck, the jawline, don't forget the nose. Applied lip balm on her lips. Yes, just to prep the lips. And then after that, I went ahead to conceal under her eyes, highlight and contour. So I used the concealer in, I think this is Toffee, yeah. Under her eyes, her T-zones, that is her forehead, down her nose and her jaw. Now if you're going for a natural look, this is too much. You could actually do a little, like this is a lot. I had issues blending this, believe me, and I left major of the clip for you to see how difficult it was for me, for you to know that it wasn't actually easy. So just watch the process and see how it goes.
I can hear your voice.
And then the blending began, my people. So it starts with blending the outer edges. Yes, it helps with the transition when you contour. But yeah, this was a lot. It was a lot of stress to me. It was a lot. But then, of course, as always, as usual, what do I say? I say, trust the process. Yeah, man. Repeat after me, trust the process. And then we were still blending and blending, oh Lord God. Okay, so I went ahead to contour her face. I was using the Crayola contour cream. It's a cream foundation actually, yeah. So I used it. It's easier for me to use that because already the face is already quite bright, yeah. So blending this just makes it easy for me. So blend, blend, blend. As usual, trust the what? Process. So using the same sponge I used for our foundation, it helps with the transition. So I use that to blend it completely. So that is a transition from highlight to low light, from contour to highlight. Yeah. Voila. Just take a look at that blend. Hello, where my money at? So I set her under eyes using the Huda Beauty powder. I think this is in cinnamon. Actually, this is in cinnamon. So you just apply it with the dabbing motion, press the powder into her skin. Yeah. So everywhere you've highlighted the T-zones, you use the powder into it. The nose, the forehead, the jaw. Just to set the highlights you did. And also reverse contour the face. Yeah, so the line underneath the contour is called reverse contour. Yeah. Then reverse contour the nose. Everywhere you've contoured, yeah, you reverse contour it, so it makes it stand out, more pronounced. And I went ahead to bake. So for her eyes, I'm making use of the Imagic palette. So I went into the color Carnival for the outer corner of her eyes. So I like to layer my eyeshadow, which means I go in lightly. And she has pretty hooded eyes, so I really wanted to go in lightly. It's better to layer than to have to clean and erase, yeah? So I deepened that into her crease. I work from the crease to the inner crease, from the outer crease to the inner crease, yeah? So I asked her to open her eyes because, as you can see, her eyes are really hooded. I just wanted to see the shadow, yes, of the color on her hood, just the transition. I did not want to actually see the color on her hood. Yeah, so when she closes her eyes, you can see all the color. When she opens it, you can see like a reflection. That's the word, reflection on her hood. So I go back into deepening the color more and more. Like I said, if you're the type that likes to pack, it's okay, but just be careful that you don't extend so much color into the hood. Just take a look at that reflection there, and then keep blending. Don't stop blending, just keep blending. So for the inner corners of her eyes, I went in with Caramel and Toffee, still from the Imagic palette. I did not want it to be one color, and Noelia is always accusing me of doing simple looks on her, not just me, every other person. So I decided to, okay, let's add some more depth, some more color here. Even though this is a neutral color, but at least it kind of balances with the outer crease here. So blend out the upper crease so that there's a seamless transition. So you don't see it doesn't look as if you put this color there and that color there. So I went back in still with Caramel and Toffee into her eyes, more of Toffee than Caramel, just in case you want to recreate. So I went in with a bigger brush, the blending brush, because it had more control, it made it flatter, it picked more pigments. And of course, I'm just more of the blending brush kind of person. So while you do that, also blend it so that the color is not here, because I'm not going for a crease, right, a cut crease. I'm going for just two colors of eyeshadow transitioning into each other. So apply blend until you feel good. Then also to brighten her eyes, like to open it up, I went in with Maple, the color Maple for under her eyes. So I smudged it under her lower eyes. I applied her lashes offline, lined her eyes offline. Oh my god, it wasn't an easy one because she's a crybaby. Yeah, crybaby gang. Yeah, it wasn't an easy one, but yeah, we did it.
I can hear your voice.
So depending on how you want it to be pronounced, I wanted it to really come out, but then blended. So I had to apply blend, and not just put it there. So moving on with the color lavender, still from my Imagic palette. With the color lavender, I used it as a blush on her. It was so pretty, so you just have to really blend that out. I wanted the color to be obvious, I wanted it to be pronounced. That is why I went in like this, yeah. Because of course she said I do normal looks on her, I would have just gone on a brown blush, gone with a brown blush, but I decided to use lavender to make her face pop, to bring back color into her face, yeah. So just apply and blend. Oh, highlighter time. Of course, I went in with my Makeup Revolution highlighter on her face. To me, it was looking too bright, yeah. Makeup in person and makeup in camera looks different. Yes, I had to blend that. You see me leave and still go back and blend it because I was like, oh no, yo, no, blend it, girl. Yeah, so you can see I blended that out. So going on to her lips, I outlined her lips with a purple lipstick just to get the outline. You could use a pencil first to get the outline and then go in with the liquid, but I went directly with the liquid for her lower lips like that. Then her upper lips, I first used a brown pencil to get the outline that I actually wanted, since I'm using liquid and it's so difficult to clean or correct, yeah, before going in with my purple. So be careful to get the outline. Hold your breath if you have to. Take it slow, nobody's pursuing you. So fill all the spaces, fill everything up, the inner circle, the inner lips, everything. Check if there are spaces and fill them up. Then again, I went in with a Maybelline pink lipstick, like a really beautiful pink. I'm gonna get mine. This is hers. I am going to get mine. Like, it was so pretty. Oh, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you so much for watching my video and also apologize for the change in light. I shoot in natural light, and you know when the sun goes down and when it comes up, two different lights. I'm so sorry. So powder time with the Makeup Revolution and Bake and Blot. I used that on her face, yeah. So like I said, you could always go back to add more color. I felt like the intensity of Toffee wasn't what I wanted, so I went back to add more of it. Toffee and caramel, more of Toffee. I went back to intensify the color so it's pretty obvious. Of course, using my blending brush. So that's how I got my baby girl, my Mozambican queen, Ella Bonita, looking this beautiful. Yes, guys, I'm really sorry. I didn't realize that light was this bad. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Chiamaka, and I will see you in my next video. Yes, girl, work it. I apologize for the lighting, guys.